Hey there, fellow travelers! Are you dreaming of a trip to Venice, Italy? Well, I've got you covered with an amazing 3-day itinerary that will help you make the most of your time in this beautiful city. We recommend staying at the Hotel Montecarlo, located in the San Marco neighborhood, just a few minutes walk from St. Mark's Square and the Doge's Palace. After checking in, head out and explore the city's canals and bridges. Be sure to visit St. Mark's Basilica and the Doge's Palace, two of Venice's top tourist attractions. In the evening, enjoy some delicious local cuisine at a nearby trattoria or osteria. Start the day with a gondola ride along the canals of Venice. It's the perfect way to take in the city's beautiful architecture and unique atmosphere. Afterward, visit the Peggy Guggenheim Collection or the Accademia Gallery to admire some incredible works of art. Later on, cross the Rialto Bridge and check out the Rialto Market, where you can find all sorts of fresh seafood, produce, and local products. In the evening, take a sunset walk along the Grand Canal and stop at a local bar for a glass of wine. Today, venture out to the nearby islands of Murano, Varano, and Torcello. Murano is famous for its glass blowing, and you can watch master craftsmen create beautiful glassware right before your eyes. Varano is known for its colorful houses and shops, while Torcello has an ancient cathedral, the Basilica of Santa Maria Assunta. Return to Venice in the evening and treat yourself to a dinner at a Michelin-starred restaurant or a local wine bar. Remember, Venice is a city that's meant to be explored on foot or by boat. The Hotel Montecarlo is the perfect base for your adventures, so be sure to book well in advance to ensure room availability. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and come experience the magic of Venice with. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos.